The art of grafting is an ancient one, practiced for millennia to enhance the bounty of our harvests. Imagine plucking a juicy apple from a tree only to discover that it's actually growing a pear on the same branch. While that might sound like something out of a fantasy novel, it's a testament to the fascinating world of plant grafting. This technique, rooted in ancient agricultural practices, allows us to combine different plants, resulting in unique and beneficial characteristics. Grafting isn't just an agricultural curiosity. It plays a crucial role in modern fruit production and beyond. From increasing yields to improving disease resistance, the benefits of this botanical technique are as diverse as the plant kingdom itself. Join us as we delve into the science behind plant grafting and explore its remarkable impact on the way we grow our food and shape our gardens. In its simplest form, grafting is like a botanical surgery where two different plants are joined together to grow as one. Think of it as creating a living puzzle where each piece brings its own unique strengths to the final picture. The two protagonists in this botanical tale are the scion and the rootstock. The scion is the upper part of the graft, chosen for its desirable traits like delicious fruits or beautiful flowers. It's the part of the plant that we're ultimately interested in cultivating. The rootstock, on the other hand, forms the lower part, including the roots. It's the foundation upon which the scion will grow. The rootstock is carefully selected for its hardiness, disease resistance, or ability to thrive in specific soil conditions. The process of grafting, while seemingly complex, is surprisingly straightforward. It all begins with a clean cut. Both the scion and the rootstock are carefully wounded, creating surfaces that will readily fuse together. The scion is then carefully joined with the rootstock, ensuring that their internal tissues, known as the cambium layers, are in direct contact. This is where the real magic happens. The cambium layers contain cells responsible for plant growth, and when aligned, they begin to knit together, forming a living bridge between the two plants. To secure this union, the graft is typically wrapped with grafting tape or rubber bands, holding the scion and rootstock tightly together until they fully fuse. Over time, the two plants become one, sharing nutrients and water through their interconnected vascular systems. Section 4. Grafting's Gifts, Bountiful Harvests and Beyond. The benefits of grafting extend far beyond the realm of horticultural curiosity. For fruit production, grafting is nothing short of revolutionary. It allows us to cultivate trees that bear fruit more quickly, often within a year or two, compared to the many years it might take for a seedling to mature. Moreover, grafting empowers us to combine the best of both worlds. We can select rootstocks that are resistant to soil-borne diseases or tolerant to harsh climates, ensuring the health and longevity of our fruit trees. This not only leads to healthier trees, but also to more abundant and higher quality harvests. But the advantages of grafting don't stop there. This technique can also be used to propagate plants that are difficult to grow from seed, preserving valuable cultivars and ensuring the survival of rare and endangered species. Section 5. Grafting for a Greener Future. In a world grappling with the challenges of climate change and food security, grafting emerges as a powerful tool for sustainable agriculture. By allowing us to cultivate crops in less than ideal conditions, grafting helps us adapt to changing climates and conserve precious resources. Furthermore, grafting can reduce our reliance on chemical pesticides and fertilizers. By selecting rootstocks that enhance nutrient uptake and disease resistance, we can grow healthier plants that require fewer chemical inputs, benefiting both our environment and our health. Whether you're an experienced orchardist or a backyard gardener, understanding the magic of plant grafting opens up a world of possibilities. It allows us to harness the incredible power of nature, creating more resilient, productive, and sustainable ways to grow the food we eat and the plants we cherish. As we continue to explore the potential of this ancient technique, one thing remains clear: grafting holds the key to a greener and more bountiful future.